Hi, welcome back again. In this session, we are going to discuss a three type of the maps. That's called a map, fill map, and the shape map. Okay, so let me remind you, all the previous video session are very important to understand the upcoming and this video. So what are you waiting for? Go to the YouTube, just search me Fahad Hussain CS by name. Come to my YouTube channel. There is a playlist and there are 1,000+ videos are there with a separate playlist out there. You can watch it. If you find a material with related a video, you can just follow me on my blog fahadhusseincsblogspot.com. So what are you waiting for? Do subscribe to the channel to get familiar about that what is going on in the field of AI and computing world. So I'm just adding a first type of the map. It's called a map, but before it I need a data which is relevant for the map. So I'm just come to the home tab. There is an Excel workbook and I'm just going to countries data set. Okay, it's a custom very small type of the data set which show you how this option work. So I'm just importing this data here. Okay, you can see that the countries, cities, regions, sales and profit column are there. I just click load this data first. Now the data is imported there. And there is the sheet 1. Okay, so the countries are there, the cities are there. So I'm just click the first map option. Okay, and you can see that if I just enlarge it, okay, there's a location, legend, latitude and longitude. You can also write a bubble size. If you enlarge the size of the bubble, which is indicate that the country or a state or city which you have added there, you can also with size up with respect to the value. Okay, but the first thing very important is a location. Okay, if I just click it, okay, in the sheet 1, we can use the country. For example, I just check the country, and when I just write a country, you can see that the map is enabled, and with respect to the name of the country is indicate the bubble. Okay, that's indicate the bubble. You can zoom in, click on it, you can zoom in the area. Okay, look at this, the Germany is indicating here. Similarly, there's another bubble. Okay, look at this, it's indicating the other country and so on. That's the first attribute there. Legend attribute is also there. If you think about that, we want to show up a legend attribute with respect to the country. It's profit. Okay, look at this, the profit is indicating the color. Okay, if you think about that, it's not good, so you can indicate the region as well. So the countries with respect to the continent name of the region is also there. Okay, that's an indicator. That's the first type of the map, by the way. Otherwise, you can explore more properties over there in a format cell. So if I just show you map setting, you can see that it's a road mapping. You can convert into a aerial one. That's the style of the colors. You can see that the dark side, similarly the light, you can convert into a grayscale, as well as the road, which is the default one. Okay, the control option is also there. Zoom buttons off, on. Okay, otherwise you can check it, zoom in, zoom out buttons enable. Lasso button is also there. Look at this. This is a rectangle sheet but select button. Okay, this is called lasso. Geocoding culture is also there with respect to the US code or other different countries. So normally we don't use this one, otherwise the map is disturbed, but sometime with respect to the country you can just change this one. Okay, the legend attribute, the bubble is also there. You can make it the size of the bubbles. Look at this, the bubble is so minor and that is the bigger one. So that's all about the size. Whatever you suggest here, you can adjust it. The color is also there, you can change the color and so on. Okay, the last one is the categories by label. Okay, that is indicating that the name of the countries which you have selected from your data. Okay, the properties is almost the same one which we have already discussed in a different type of the graph. So hope you'll understand the first type of the map with respect to the country and legend attribute region. The latitude and longitude is the value which is normally indicate the land area. If there is the different values instead of the name of state, city and country, so you can directly write or add a latitude and longitude values from your respective column of your data set. Okay, that's sound good. So I'm just select this one and map here. Okay, that's good. The next one, if you directly copy, that's a good one, by the way. I just copy paste the graph, just adjust here, and this time I just convert into a filled map. When I just add it, so it is behave as like a filled map, which means that whatever the state or country you have selected, the region is filled, not a bubble form. It's a filled one. By the way, the rest of the properties is almost same. Latitude, longitude and tooltip are there. Go to the format one. Format is also there. Fill color you can change it. Map setting is almost same. Okay, almost same all the things. Okay, Why not the dark side? That's a good one, huh? The filled one is indicating the best way. The properties is also the same one. Header icon also there. You can enable or disable one. Advanced option are there. You can see that, huh? Maintain layers. It's also the same one which we have already discussed so many times in a fill of the graph. Right, the last one. If I just copy paste the first graph and after that I just make it here. I just make it a small, okay, and make it this small as well, okay. I just click it. That's why all the graph is disturbed, huh? So I'm just the third one is called a shape map. I just click on the shape map and you can see that the shape map is just indicating the specific country. For example, if you want to show up a sales record or the population record and other census record and other things, so you need to just a specific map of the country and after that the state and the cities of this one of this country. So you need to use this type of the shape map graph, okay. So I'm just cancel this city and just country and just indicate that the city. I'm just indicating the city, this one, that is the South America, which is indicating here. And in the legend attribute, I just convert to a sales one. That shows that the state. But let me remind you, in a properties, you need to just work on the properties here to understand this type of the map. The size are there, the map setting. Okay, you can see that is a United States. So first you need to understand that which type of these cities you are using in your data set. So I'm just opening the data set first. Here it is a data set. There's a problem because we are using a different countries, not a specific one countries, different cities. That's why only one indicator are there, okay? So if you have one country, for example, India, Pakistan, United States, and all the cities are belong to one specific country, so you can easily change. You can easily change the state from here, okay? Whatever the country you are using. Only few of the countries are supporting here. So based on this, you can change it. For example, US state is already there. If you want to UK state, it will convert into a UK form. So your data set must be matched with this data. Otherwise, it will not definitely work, okay? So I'm just click it. That's why only one data set has match here. Otherwise, not, okay? So this is all about the data set, which I just show you by using a very simple type of the data, okay? So hope you understand all the aspect. If you have any query, feel free to write the comment. I will try my level best to give you a right options in a comment, okay? So we understood the concept of the three type of the map. In the next session, we will understand about the different type of the other graph, okay? Including the Azure, similarly the gauge, cards, and so on. Stay in touch. Do subscribe the channel to get familiar about that what is going on in the field of the AI and computing. See you in the next session.